Hello everyone, this is Sajid and I welcome you all to my channel Creative Tutorials with a very big heart. Uh, Nothing is impossible for a willing heart. Yes, dear children, whenever you think of achieving some target, some goal, right now, and if you are firm in your decision, right, nothing can come between. And anything that comes in between, okay, any hurdles or any obstacles, you start tackling them. And when any hurdles or any obstacles they come in between, you will learn automatically how to make them aside and keep going on. Okay, so keep your tempo intact, keep your confidence, your self-esteem very high. Okay, and you see a day will come when you will also definitely master in this subject along with others. Okay, chalo. So with this beautiful motivational and inspirational quote, let's begin with our today's day. We are on question number 1, sub question 7 of our practice set 1.2. Okay, come on. The question is we have to compare 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Both are rational numbers, and I had explained you earlier that whenever our denominators are not same, they are not equal right now. So what we try to do is basically somehow or the other with some manipulations try to make the denominators same. And once our denominators become same, what we do is we straight away compare the numerators and then decide whether this number is bigger or smaller, and accordingly our fraction also is being decided whether they are small, which one is smaller or which one is bigger. Right? Come on. So let's do it. Now I will first write my first fraction, that is 15 upon 12. This is equal to, I will write 15 upon 12 as it is. And then I had taught you in my previous videos that we need one number to multiply and divide here. Okay, and that number is nothing but the denominator of our second fraction being given to us. Now the second fraction given to us is 7 upon 16, whose denominator is 16. So that is the number which I will choose to put it here. Alright. Now when you multiply these two, we get 15 16s is 240 upon 12 16s are this 192. Okay. Now, so I have got one fraction over here, and this fraction is nothing but the equivalent of the fraction being given to me. Okay. Now it's turn to tackle our second fraction. Second fraction is 7 upon 16. And the same thing I am going to do with this fraction as well. First I will write 7 upon 16 as it is. Now I want one suitable number to multiply and divide here. Okay. So that after multiplying it, I will get one equivalent fraction of this one. Okay. So what we did here, we took the denominator of our second fraction. Correct? Now? So here we will do reverse of that. We will take denominator of our first fraction and put here. So first fraction is 15 upon 12, whose denominator is 12. So I will put 12 over here and 12 over here. Okay. Now after multiplying I get 12 sevens are 84 and 16 12s are 192. Now 84 upon 192, which we have got eventually, is nothing but the equivalent fraction of 7 upon 16. Okay, so now we'll write comparing 240 upon 192 and 84 upon 192. Correct now? Here the denominators are same. Therefore comparing their numerators, we get 240 is greater than 84. Correct? You see, 240 is greater than 84. So 240 I got from this one and 84 I got from this one. And 240 which I got from this fraction is nothing but the equivalent of this one. So therefore 15 upon 12 is greater than 84. 84 I got from this one and this is nothing but the equivalent of my fraction 7 upon 16. So that 7 upon 16 will come here. Okay, and then our question is done with this. Alright, so see how easy it was, right children? So this is the way you can do it. If you feel that multiplying these numbers is a difficult task for you, which is not actually, but maybe some children might feel that it is difficult for them to multiply. So I will show you one more alternative method which is more easier than this one. Even this one is easy. I will show you that alternative method on this side. So you judge which one you are comfortable with, okay? And accordingly you can go on. Okay, so my first fraction is 15 upon 12, right now. 15 upon 12. Now what I will do is, I will try to reduce this fraction. How I will do that? 15 can be split as 3 multiplied by 5 because 3 5s are 15. Similarly, 12 can be split as 3 multiplied by 4 because 3 4s are 12, right now. So you see now 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and I am left with 5 upon 4. Correct? Now I have reduced my fraction 15 upon 12 to 5 upon 4. Okay, and this 5 upon 4 is nothing but my equivalent of this fraction. So now I will take this fraction separately. 5 upon 4 is equal to, I will write here 5 upon 4, same like this one all, okay. And now my second fraction being given to us is 7 upon 16. I will try somehow or the other to make the denominator of this fraction equal to the denominator of my second fraction being given to me in the question. Okay, so for doing that, what I will do, I will multiply my denominator of this fraction by 4 because 4 4s are 16 and 16 is my denominator of my second fraction being given to us in the question. So 4 is the appropriate number over here. So whatever number we get here, we will multiply here also with the same number. Now by doing so, I get 5 4s are 20 upon 4 4s are 16. Okay, so now what happens is my first fraction is this one, correct now? And I reduced it, and after reducing it, I brought other equivalent fraction to 20 upon 16. I did this because I wanted to make my denominator same of both the fractions, correct now? So now compare. Okay, this one came out to be 20 upon 16 and my second fraction is given to me as 7 upon 16, correct? Now you see here denominators are same. Therefore, comparing here numerators, we get what? 20 is greater than 7 right now. Therefore, 20 I got from this fraction and this fraction is nothing but the equivalent of this fraction. Therefore, 15 upon 12 is greater than 7. 7 I got from this fraction and this is nothing but my second fraction being given to me in the question. So I will write it as it is. Okay, so this is my final answer. So you see our answer comes to be same. Of course it has to come same. Okay, but this was other approach, correct? This was the another approach, that even this is one way with which you can reach to your answer. Okay, but so both the methods are there on the board in front of you. Okay, you decide which one you are comfortable with. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed it and you have loved the video. And if that is the thing, and if you're gaining confidence, it's a humble request to please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please do comment. I'm desperately waiting for your valuable suggestions. Okay, and take care, stay blessed, stay healthy. Okay, I love you all. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.